Back another week, another bourbon, although this time we're changing it up a little bit. A few weeks ago we did Smoke Wagon, which is one of my current faves, and they just released this Butte, which is their slightly less expensive version of their kind of their flagship, which is the Uncut Unfiltered.
So this is Uncut the Younger, which I'm guessing is just the younger version of the Uncut.
That's exactly right.
Okay.
About $20 cheaper. We're looking at 57.99% alcohol.
I wonder if he'll sponsor my podcast. I mean, we're kind of sharing the same name here at this point.
Right?
Smoke
Uncut.
Wagon, give me a call.
Come on. Yeah, but I mean, Aaron, the guy that runs this place, is just a trip.
Oh, I've started following him on Instagram. He is a piece of work. I like him, but
Dude.
he's funny.
I mean, talk about a guy that's just like, I am who I am. and I don't give a
Does
shit.
not care.
Yeah.
And he's coming out with some amazing products.
Yeah, I'm super excited about this. I have not tried it yet, but here on the back it says fruit forward, lots of candy flavors, cinnamon spice, plenty of heat, easy sipping bourbon.
Just out, right?
Just out. I've been looking for it for a while now, and then when I was on vacation last week, I saw that a local liquor store here posted about it on Instagram, so I sent Travis to go get 3 bottles, 2 for me, 1 for you.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, I mean, you're buying it.
Probably not. Someone else pay him from outside, I believe. What does this mean? Do we know what this means?
Shit, I do. I remember him telling me.
Is it Latin?
Let's look it up. Caroline, can you look that up on your phone? Oh, yeah. She might. Okay. Bibamus, Bibamus, Moriendum, Moriendum, EST.
Space EST.
Yeah, space EST.
Let us drink, for we must die.
I mean, cheers to that.
Genius.
Cheers to that.
Genius.
Let us drink what?
For me, must die.
Yeah.
For we must die.
Let us drink, for we must die.
Is it Latin?
Yeah.
Okay.
That is badass right there.
I mean, on that note, let's try this
Seriously.
stuff. Goodness.
Let us drink, for we must die. I love
Look.
how we're each pouring a bottle. That's a good visual right there.
So 100 and... Goodness me, the math here. 115?
116 technically.
116? 116 proof?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers. Give her a go.
Smells great.
Oh.
Okay. It's got some spice, big time spice.
A lot of spice. I mean, takes your whole mouth up. Cinnamon. Mm-hmm. A lot of cinnamon.
But you can definitely taste that sweetness too.
Yep.
Like, but see, the thing I love about it though is it's not that syrupy sweet.
No, it's definitely not.
It's just kind of naturally sweet.
And it doesn't burn you up either.
No, I mean when it hits your mouth a little bit, but like once you swallow
Once
it,
you swallow it, it's just that nice, natural, like that bourbon heat right
yeah.
there.
Freaking another winner from Smoke Wagon.
They haven't missed.
I know.
It's amazing. You were saying before we were on air how consistent they are.
I know. Especially like the fact that he is blending this stuff. I mean, I think pretty much all on his own. He's getting all these barrels and then mixing them to the flavors he likes and then mass producing them like that. It's freaking so good. And yeah, surprisingly consistent, which is just
I'm seeing them
So
more and
surprising.
more in different liquor stores.
yeah, starting to be
Starting to pop up.
Which, I mean, that was, one of the things that he wanted. He was like, I want to make a bourbon that everyone can get. I don't want this thing that's like crazy limited and crazy allocated.
Really?
I just want like a cheap bourbon that people can buy and enjoy. So
He's kind
He's
of
done it.
He's kind of doing it.
yeah, and it's freaking good. This is not your mixer.
No,
this is not an old
Not
fashioned.
mixing this.
Yeah,
I love the bottle.
I love it.
It's so cool. It's out of Vegas, which is so different. Latin let us drink for we must die.
And also, he's building like a tourist, a place where people can come and like visit.
Oh,
An
really?
actual building, yeah. So hopefully by this time next year, it'll be open to the public. We got to go over there and check it out.
I would love to.
Be
I
sweet.
Would love to.
Hit Vegas for a couple days.
It's always fun.
All right. Well, cheers to Smoke Wagon. Again, I'm not usually like this, but like you put an ice cube in this, it'd probably open it up, give it even more flavor. But I'd just drink it straight and eat like this. It's incredible.
Smoke Wagon's given Four Roses. The problem with Four Roses now is like you can't find them anywhere. I mean, you can find like the single berry, but
Yeah.
I mean, like all the like the cool.
You can
stuff.
find the $20 bottle.
Sure, but I mean, Smoke Wagon, like you can find a lot of this stuff out there, and it's. I don't want to say it's just as good, but it's catching in a hurry.
It is delicious stuff.
Very good stuff.
All right. Well,
Well done, Smoke Wagon. Again.
love it.